did it and did it, did it, did it. You did it and did it, did it, did. You did it and did it, did it, did it.
Hey guys, welcome to week 13. We're getting off to a late start as usual. We weren't even sure if we were going to go up, but I do have a family reunion to go to tomorrow, which is further north of the park. And so we're just going to head up and have some fun. So anyway, as you just saw a few seconds ago, I had a deer visitor in my backyard. If you don't know, I live in the city of Warren, which is the third largest city in Michigan. Just a couple blocks over is the GM's Tech Center, but yet we still have a lot of wildlife, and the deer was in the backyard for quite a while, and now she's jumped the fence and she's in the neighbor's yard. But it's funny because I had just finished and just uploaded the reindeer farm video, and I come upstairs and there's one in the yard. So anyway, it's hot, it's muggy. I just don't have the motivation. I finally just packed the van. I didn't even get dressed. I threw on a t-shirt and whatever. We're gonna head up, we get some dinner, be up to the campground probably around 7:30ish. Won't probably do a whole lot there, maybe have a fire, I don't know. And then we gotta get up fairly early because we have about a hour and a half to 2 hour drive further north, and get to see family that I haven't seen in many years, and some family I've never met before. So this week's video is probably not gonna be super long. I don't know if I'll really shoot much video there at the reunion. I'm gonna fly the drone, new area, and there's some stuff that is close by that maybe we'll stop. I don't know, it's just depends on time, weather, whatever. So all right, gonna get moving here. Hey guys, so Saturday we're heading out to my family reunion. It is about a 2 hour drive north of here in Gaylord. So we needed some ice for our cooler, and it's like a potluck, so we have to stop at a grocery store and pick up something on the way, and what we want is the opposite way of where we're going, so we're gonna lose a little bit of time there, but hey, it is what it is. It's not like there's a set time we have to be there, but it's 10:20 now. I wanted to be out of the grocery store and on the road by 11. I think we just might make it. So anywho, like I said, I'll do maybe a little bit of video there. There's a lake, so maybe I'll fly the drone, but other than that, this week's probably gonna be a very short video. So talk to you in a bit. You want to say anything, Miss Piper, with your pretty hair right now? No?
Maybe at the lake.
At the lake you want to say something? Okay. All right. All right, so we're at the grocery store. We're going to be heading out now to the reunion. It says 1 hour and 57 minutes. It's 131 miles, so it's almost the same distance from the campground to back home, but it's all fun. So hopefully we don't hit no traffic and construction's low or something. And so Betsy's just checking out now at the grocery store. This is our favorite little grocery store, and if you're coming to the M24, this is the closest grocery store, and it's a good little place. They got a nice meat market in the back, and always sales going on, and everyone's super friendly. So anywho, I'm gonna get off here. She's gonna come out, and I think she got a cake, so I want to put that in the cooler, and we'll get on our way. Okay, so we left about 2 hours ago from my family reunion. Don't mind my eyes. I'm having horrible allergies. Ugh, just want to make me cry actually. Had a good time. Got to see people I haven't seen in 20 some years, and I got to meet family members that I've never met before. So didn't do any video or anything while I was there. Just keeping it just family. So anyway, we're over at Pop's place, just picking up pizza to go back to the campground, have our dinner, and we'll see about if we're gonna do a campfire or not. It's really hot and muggy today, so might just hang out in the RV and watch a movie and just kind of chillax. Tomorrow, though, Piper and I will probably go for a nice swim, so probably shoot some more video tomorrow. But anyway, waiting. Betsy should be coming out in a second. She's ran in to go pick up the food, and yeah, so can't wait. I'm starving. Hey guys, Sunday. Weather's kind of nice. There's supposed to be storms coming, but right now we're just kind of cruising, Piper and I, through the campground. She's trying to look for her friend. I think they're having lunch. You want to go through this way by Bob's, or you want to go?
Yeah, we'll go this way.
You want to go this way? Okay. And so trying to get some stuff done before it rains. I need to cut the lawn, but kind of feel like going for a ride first. Let her play for a bit, and then I'll cut the lawn. Have some lunch. I'll head back home eventually, but like I said, this is a very mild weekend. Since I had the family reunion, we didn't really do a whole lot of anything. By the time we got back here last night, it was almost 7-something, and watched the new Beverly Hills Cop, and went to bed. So anyway, we'll go and see if we can find her friend at the park. People are coming in and leaving. Dump stations are busy. Oh, you see the puppy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's two.
Two of them.
They're my little rubby ducky one.
Yeah?
That's cute.
Okay. Well, we just finished up weekend 13. On the way back, now during our break during the 4th, we got a chip in the windshield when we were heading to Clare. Then on our way home on Sunday, we had a big one hit. Oh, damn it, that one's really bad.
Oh my god!
That windshield's done.
I thought that was one of those.
How about you can see it or not? I figured that one really hit hard, so I'm like, well, that one's gonna crack. No, it didn't. So I get in the car yesterday after the van's been sitting, and the oldest one finally cracked all the way across. So I don't know how well you can see that or not, but, and then we got that one. So need to get a new windshield, but I don't have time anytime soon, so I'm gonna have to set up an appointment for later. I'm sure by then that thing's gonna crack all the way across, and if not, maybe the other one will start cracking. Especially today's hot. There's a thunderstorm coming. That cold water hits the windshield, vice versa, cracks. So we're not going up. Well, it's been a week since we've been back. We didn't go up this weekend. I don't know if we're going up next weekend. The weekend after that is the farm festival. We are doing that because we go into town with the golf cart. We'll be throwing out candy and whatnot. So we're set up for that. But there's just too much going on right now. And most of you know that after I was laid off, I was either going back to working over on the Stellantis side, or I was going into medical, or something else. And I ended up, in the end, I'm over at GM. So, yeah, so I do all my fun onboarding stuff on Monday. it's gonna be different. What I'm doing is kind of the same but different, if that makes any sense. Anyway, so that's what's gonna go on, and might sell the Pacifica here, because I typically try to drive wherever I'm working. So years ago, when I was with a company working with GM, I had the Chevy, and then when I was on the Stellantis side there, we got the Jeep and then the van. I do like the van. I wish that GM still had a minivan, but I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't want to go new. We're thinking of actually looking at something older. I don't know. Might go back to another Suburban. I haven't had a Suburban in about 20 some years. If not, I've been actually looking at a couple Hummer H3s. They're good for towing behind a motorhome, and they can usually take a decent beating, and they're still pretty cool looking, I think. So, and it's lightweight. I mean, years ago, my dream was the Hummer H2 yellow with black leather, but the H3 would be more suitable. Well, we're going to lose some cargo space, but I don't know. So, and maybe I won't. Maybe I'll keep the van. I don't know. We'll see. We've got a lot to think about here. So, anyway, all right. So, like I said, there wasn't much video to shoot. We did the family reunion, and I just wasn't going to really take the camera out for that. So, we'll see what's going on here in the future. But as of right now, nothing. I don't know if I don't know if we're going to go up to the campground again next weekend or not. But I still have some other videos coming out. One of the videos that should have already been out, but I've been having some editing problems, is the Indian reservation video where we went to their cultural center. Having problems with that video, so that's not out yet. I think there's one other, so they're not in order. Not that anyone cares, but all right, I'm gonna get out of here. It's getting hot. I want to try to get this edited. There's another storm coming, so I want to get in there and get done before the rain hits. So until next time, happy trails.